Welcome to another video. Wow.
Wow.
Obviously. Today it's a house tour. In 3, 2, 1. We will start off with the small stuff. This is the garage area. So we've got like a little mini garage in here with a fridge and all that crap and all of our like sports stuff and of that matter. This is the Tesla garage. We come over here and we have the work garage. We have my crap bike, the boat, a bunch of tools, Martha, aka tackling dummy. We have the Viking, the broken bike, and then you come up here. You come into a paradise. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Oh my gosh, it's 98 degrees up here. It's hotter in here than it is outside. So we've got a couple beds on the floor over there, one day bed. We got 2 more beds over here, a couch, and I'm just sweating in here. And we've also got a bathroom, full bath. And we literally never used this room once. One-less rooms in the York house. We come down these stairs. We have chickens greeting us from all around the world. We have a table full of chicken crap. Can you please calm yourself? I'm trying to film a video. Thank you. Then we have the pool, the hot tub, which is colder than the actual pool itself. It's quite weird. We have this chair. It's the spectating chair of the OG Rampelstein. I'm gonna get on it right quick. 1. Okay. Then we have our white trash chicken coop. Now we are going to head into the basement. We're going to go basement, upstairs, and then upstairs. OG quote. So the first round's gonna be in the basement, second round's gonna be upstairs, and then the third round's gonna be upstairs. Comment down below if you know what the upstairs and the upstairs means, because a lot of you probably don't. No, Peyton, let me in! Let me in! Why'd you lock me out? Savannah. Savannah, just fuck it!
Welcome to Chili's.
Hi, and welcome to Then we have the bathroom. Just a half bath out of here. Yep, we got the half bath coming out of here. Just that. And then we have me looking sharp.
Bruh.
We have the pantry. We have the junk drawer. Full of pointless junk that we never use. We have the kitchen. The kitchen right here. And I know what you're thinking. What? Big cabinets? What? Fridge and freezer? Get wrecked.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Like, literally get wrecked. Everyone who thought this was cabinets. By the way, I'm sorry if I sometimes don't get my face in the shot. I don't care about getting my face in the shot sometimes. That's all I'm gonna say. We got the living room. We got the, actually the kitchen, second part of the kitchen, the table. We've got the living room with the table with that thing. I ate some shrimp noodles there. We're watching some Fox News Network. Peyton, what's Gucci? Huh? Okay, whatever. Actually, we're starting with the upstairs, and then we're gonna go to the basement, and then we're gonna go to the upstairs. But we got a sliding door that goes out to this deck. That goes out to this deck. Got a good view of the Rampelstein. And then you go back inside, because there's really nothing to do out here. got a TV out here, but we really never use it. Peyton's giant dog pen right there. We go in here, we have the grand piano. We have the 2 king chairs. We have a water, that's my water. We have bookshelves with a log, I don't know why. We have the laundry room with all of my laundry that I never fold. Yeah. We have a Nerf dart. We have Tide Pods. Don't do the Tide Pod challenge, kids. We have the office. We have the Peloton. Cool, I know. We have the master bath. Okay, we have the master pantry. Okay, we have the master bed area. Master bedroom. Yeet. Now, but just a disclaimer, it's really messy down here. So, leave before entering. Okay, so we haven't turned on all the lights. I know. We have the theater chairs. We have a piano, electric piano. We have a big speaker with the remote and another remote. Where's the other remote? There's the Apple TV remote. Yeah, we have a lot of Georgia Bulldog merch. Okay, we have Chris Hemsworth with a fake Thor hammer signed by yours truly, Stan Lee. We have Star Wars. We have another UGA thing. We have another UGA thing. I think that's all for UGA. We have the theater screen. Come in here. And we have all the settings for everything like that. And my headphones that broke. What you say? Yee. And then we've got a pantry, which has no light, and it's really low to the ground. So if you try to walk into it, you're just gonna kind of... Okay. A treadmill. We have a treadmill. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm tired now. Okay. Next, we will cut to the refreshing sound of a Coke opening.
When everyone you thought you knew deserts your fight, I'll go with you. You're facing down a dark hall, I'll grab my light and go with you. I'll go with you.